Huge misconception on AI and what it's going to do with regards to enabling recruiters or disabling recruiters. Now, AI enablement is not necessarily about replacing recruiters, it's really about embedding automation and intelligence to the workflow that a recruiter or a business development specialist. Now, this eliminates manual processes, reduces human error, and accelerates speed to placement. In real terms, this means for your business development, artificial intelligence will identify high value prospects and high probable prospects, personalize outreach messages, automate follow ups based on your workflow, and based on the person's response behavior. From a candidate sourcing perspective, AI will match candidates to live roles, not by doing static keyword searches, but using contextual search. From a shortlisting perspective, AI can pre screen your applicants. They can score them against response criteria and flag the mismatch before the human review. So your team only look at the top candidates that are directly a match to that job. From CRM management, the bane of every recruiter's life, AI automatically updates your contact records, your candidate records, after calls, after conversations, logs the notes for you, tags outcomes, and even puts follow-ups in your diary. Agencies implementing this type of technology right now are operating faster. They are delighting their candidates and clients, demonstrating innovation, and they are actually having a competitive edge over their competitor agencies.